Hello everyone, welcome to Stack Developer YouTube channel, and in this video we are going to install SSL certificate for our website, okay, to make it more secure. Okay, so SSL means secure socket layer, and that is for making the website secure by converting HTTPS from HTTP. Okay, so there is the one website that is hosted on Godaddy sidemakers.in. So I am going to make this website secure. I'm going to purchase SSL and going to make it secure. Okay, so let's do it. So see here you can see not secure will come. See at the top, not secure will come here. Okay, so after installing the certificate, SSL certificate, it will come secure, and I will open in Chrome browser as well. Here you can also see not secure is coming. Okay, so see this one, it is saying to that is the free SSL that I have tried installing, but it's not working at all, and it is saying that's not secure. So we want to make it secure. We want to install SSL. Okay, so that is having few benefits as well, and I will tell you briefly. See, advantage of SSL. First one is it is for the better search engine ranking, like Google recently told that it may affect your search engine ranking, that if your website is secure, then it may come at the top, okay, before the other HTTP websites. Okay, and see, SSL will always better for the customer now is too much aware of the SSL and HTTPS website, so it will improve your brand name, and ultimately the customer is going to open your website. And okay, so and the third one is it secures the data. Okay, whatever data lies on your website, okay, it will secure that data. It is better than the HTTP websites to for the security of the data. And that is the secure customer payments. Okay, so like if you are having the e-commerce website, like we have making one e-commerce website in Laravel. So if you are having e-commerce website and the customer will feel more secure making the payment on your website, okay, because it is HTTPS, it is SSL, it is having SSL. Okay, so because your payments, the customers payments are more secure in HTTPS website, okay, than the other one, than the normal one. Okay, so the fifth one is it reduced phishing risk. It means that it avoids the website from hacking or some other kind of stuff, such kind of stuff. Okay, it prevents it have better chance that it is not going to hack than the normal websites. Okay, so it is having so much advantages, so it is worth taking the purchasing the SSL certificate. So let's do it. Let's I have the Godaddy domain, so I'm going to purchase the certificate from Godaddy. I will write something like Godaddy SSL certificate in Google, so that I can have some offer. See here, if I will get some offer, then it's really good for me. And see, positive SSL, ideal for small beginners, and GoDaddy SSL. Here you can 699 per year. Okay, so I am going for this SSL. Okay, I just click on it and see it's 699 per year for the Indian users. And if you will convert to dollar, I think it is just around 8 9 dollars, 9 10 10, around $10, 9 10 dollars. Okay, so I am going to add this in my cart. Okay, so I have previously added as well, so I will remove one of the certificate here. Okay, so I have the certificate 699 rupees. This is the subtotal. Okay, so I am having this certificate. So now I'm going to check out. Okay, I'm going to purchase this standard SSL for 1 year. Okay, so it's for 1 year. So see, promo code automatically here configured. So I am going to continue to check out. Okay, so I will choose my payment method, and I'm going to purchase this one. Okay, so just wait for few seconds. I'm going to purchase. So finally I have purchased the certificate. Here you can see the copy of receipt below has been sent to your email. This is my order. Okay, this is including taxes as well. Okay, that price is without taxes and this is including taxes. So there are around 124 rupees, around $1.5 extra, and this is thanks for your order. It comes from the Godaddy SSL product. This is the standard SSL that I have purchased. See, this is the tax. Okay, 125 rupees and its total is 824. Okay, so I have finally purchased the SSL from Godaddy server and it is for one website. And now I will go to the Cpanel. Okay, now I need to configure this SSL for one of my website. So the another steps I need to take. So I'm going to install this SSL certificate by now taking few of these steps. Okay, so here I need to search for SSL. Okay, by going in Cpanel, you need to go in your Cpanel. Here you can see the SSL TLS. Okay, just click on this one. Okay, so after clicking on this one, here you can see the four links are there: private keys, certificate signing requests, certificates, and install and manage SSL for your site. So we are going to work on these three: CSR, CRT, and HTTPS. Okay, so let's start with CSR. It means generate, view, or delete SSL certificate signing request. So first thing is we want to generate our CSR. We want to generate our certificate. Okay, that is the first step we are going to take. So here open this one. So in this form there are some information that we need to fill. Okay, so let's fill first of all domain name, for which domain name you want to install the certificate. So I am having the domain name. This is the domain name like I have shown you earlier, and it is the not secure sidemakers.in. I want to make it secure with HTTPS. So this is the domain name that I want to configure for. Okay, so I will here I will add my domain sidemakers.in. See it. Now I will click on another one. See, no error has come. Like if I will put something elsewhere, I'm just, you do not control this domain. See what it is coming. You do not control this domain, so you need to enter the right domain that is under your hosting. Okay, so only then it will work. Sidemakers.in is under my hosting, so I can enter this domain. So you need to enter your city name. Okay, so I am going to enter my city name. Okay, whatever it is. Ludhiana, state is Punjab, and country is India. Okay, so I am going to enter my country here, India. Okay, so here the company. So if you are having some company, legal company, then you can enter your company name. Otherwise you can enter your domain name as well. Sidemakers.in. I'm going to enter my domain name. Okay, so email ID, you can provide your email ID if you want. See, it is not seems to be mandatory field. Provide a valid email address where you can be contacted for verification or domain ownership. Okay, so I can put my YouTube channel email, official email, and that is the stack developers 2 at the rate of gmail.com. But it is saying, see if I will remove this one, then what it is saying, make sure to use a valid email format, for example user at the rate of domain.com. So we can also enter like info at the rate of sidemakers.in. So it seems to be better. Okay, so after this one, and I'm going to click on generate. Okay, so we are going to generate the certificate now. See, here is the certificate. We able to generate the certificate. So we are going to, we can copy the first one, may be required for further. So I'm going to here will save it. Okay, I'm going to save this one. Go to add certificate. Okay, save it. Okay, so now see here, certificate. Okay, so I can open. Fine. So now I able to generate this CSR, this certificate. Now I need to take another step. I can simply go back to return to SSL certificate signing request, or return to SSL manager. I'm going to return to SSL manager. Okay. So we will now go to Cpanel. Okay, the Cpanel of our website, where it is. I'm going to Cpanel here. Okay, once again, I am going to Cpanel. Let's see here, and I am going to see if there is SSL. I'm going to see if there is no, there is not. So I am going to products now. I'm going to my products here. I want to see the SSL certificates in my products. Additional here you can see SSL certificates in your GoDaddy products. You can see standard SSL. Okay, so now in this step we are going to set up the standard SSL. See, here are some of the steps that you will find in video description as well, and the advantages of SSL certificate, everything you can find in video description at the bottom of the video. Okay, so this is the first step that we have already done. We are able to purchase this SSL certificate, and we now doing the install SSL certificate step, and this is the sub step. First one is the generate CSR, that we able to generate the CSR. Okay, now we are going to set up the standard SSL. Okay, so for standard SSL you need to go to your GoDaddy products to set up standard SSL under SSL certificates. Okay, so here we need to go in SSL certificates. Here we are going to set up this one. So let's click on setup. So now you can see here new certificate link. Okay, we are going to click on this new certificate link. Okay, so here we need to enter our domain. Okay, uh, so we can enter our domain, or we can simply input that certificate that we have earlier downloaded. Okay, so here also we can enter the domain like this, sidemakers.in, and we can also input that CSR. Okay, so let's input the CSR. Okay, so I'm going to input this CSR, this certificate, that thing that that automatically comes, sidemakers.in. Okay, so you can choose any of the method here. Okay, so now I will click on continue, and here you can see please choose from the following option to prove domain control. Okay, so send an email to the following email address for this domain, and here you may need to prove control once. Multiple options are provided for your convenience. Okay, so you need to make sure that you have that we have one of the website that email where we can able to get the installation and other instructions. Okay, uh, I have created this domain, that email, admin@sidemakers.in. I hope that you know how to create the email accounts. Okay, this is the email that I have created in my domain. Okay, in my hosting. Okay, admin@sidemakers.in. Okay, so now I will click on continue. Okay, so I will here please choose the following option and accept the terms and condition. So I will keep this one GoDaddy SHA2. Okay, and will click on I agree to the terms and condition. Okay, then we'll continue. Okay, now you can see the complete domain. You don't need to do anything now. We will email you if more info is needed. Upload documentation, that nothing to do right now, and pending verification. So we will get the email in few minutes for the certificate, for the further information. Okay, now you can see after few minutes SSL certificate has been issued. Email has come. Congratulations on becoming an SSL certificate owner for the domain sidemakers.in. We are delighted to have you on board. Okay, so this email has come to us. Download your certificate by logging into your account at this one. Okay, so we finally got the email of SSL certificate from Godaddy. Okay, now we can take the another step. Okay, so we able to generate the CSR in first one, generate certificate, and then we set up the standard SSL by giving the information, some of the information that we have given. Okay, now it's the step to download the SSL certificate. So now we are going to download the SSL certificate. Okay, so let's go to my products once again and go to standard SSL once again. Okay, so here after clicking on manage, we are going to see the sidemakers.in certificate. This is the certificate and we are going to download this one. We are going to select the server type Apache and we'll click on download zip file. So it will take few seconds. Now I will go to my downloads folder and here you can see the certificate. Okay, so I will unzip this one. So here are the files of the certificate. Okay, so now we can take the another step. Okay, so this step we able to download the SSL certificate as well. So after downloading the certificate, SSL certificate, we need to take the another step, that is generate CRT. Okay, so we need to go in SSL TLS section once again. So let's open SSL TLS section. Okay, we are going here SSL TLS, and after that we go to see CRT. Okay, so we are going to CRT for uploading the certificate that we have downloaded earlier. Okay, so we are going to CRT section now, and here we are going to upload our certificate that we have downloaded earlier. So here you can see the file to upload the certificate, and here we are going to upload this one, and we will click on upload certificate, and here the you can see the certificate for the domain sidemakers.in has been saved. Okay, now we are going to take the last step, that is to add or update the htaccess file. Okay, so I am already having the htaccess file in my domain, so I am going to update. I already update my htaccess file. I'm going to show you. This is the htaccess file. I simply edit the file and added this code. Okay, this is the redirection code. See, it updates the sidemakers.in and redirects to the HTTPS. Okay, so now see, just I save this one, and now we can try in any of the browser. Make sure that you will remove the cookies first, and after that we are going to open the website sidemakers.in. Okay, so see here it is coming, the connection is secure. Okay, so it is opening with HTTPS. You can see here HTTPS. Okay, so it is coming with the HTTPS, so the website is secure. Now you can open the another browsers as well, or we can also check in our Safari browser. Okay, so see here it is coming the secure here. Okay, now you can able to see the HTTPS and the website is very much secure. Okay, and we can also open in our Firefox browser. Okay, so here also we can open our website. Okay, sidemakers.in. Okay, so let's open it, and you can see here it is showing verified by godaddy.com and the connection is secure. Okay, so our website is secure now. You can see HTTPS here as well. We have seen in all the browsers our website is secure. So like this you can make your website secure. Simply take all these steps. Okay, for making your website secure, for installing the SSL in your website. Okay, so you are required to take these steps, and then your website will go fine. Okay, so one more thing I want to tell you, that you can check by going in SSL certificates. You can check here the certificates that we have got. Once again we can check here. See here, it is the standard SSL certificate that is available for sitemakers.in, and its time period is also given here. Okay, and also you can check it by going in the Cpanel, in your Cpanel account. Okay, so there also you can check your certificate anytime. See SSL, SSL TLS status, and simply you can go, you can check the certificate must be here, site makers. Okay, so we are going to check here SSL TLS. So see, manage SSL sites. See here okay, so see here, see all these certificates are free. Okay, so there is no use of the free certificate. Okay, these will actually show the error message whenever someone will open with HTTPS. So the original certificate is this one, and this will open up with the sidemakers.in and www.sidemakers.in, and this is the original certificate that we have installed. In case there is some issue comes like HTTPS not come in your website, then you simply need to browse here. See this fourth option, this I want to tell you, this fourth option will come into role. See to install the certificate, here you simply require to select your domain. Like I can select the sidemakers.in domain. Okay, and after that you are required, see browse certificate. Here you simply require to browse your certificate. Click on browse certificate. Okay, and from here simply select that sidemakers.in. Okay, so that thing you can do if in case the certificate will not work. Okay, so here see sidemakers.in. So simply select it and click on use. I'm not going to use. Okay, so you can just click on use certificate. Okay, let's click on use. Okay, so here after this one you simply require to install certificate. Okay, so this is the last step. If in case SSL not comes, HTTPS not comes, then do it again, install the certificate, and after that it will surely your website will surely work with HTTPS. Okay, so do remember this last step. Okay, so you can try, and if any issue will come you can surely contact me. So that's all for now. Have a nice time. Goodbye.